Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025. We're on our way to pick up some 96 to 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee rally wheels. Exit 1, Westminster, Seneca, crossing over into South Carolina. I-85 north.
In half mile, take exit 1 for South Carolina 11.
We'll get off here at the South Carolina rest area and then proceed on. Tougaloo River.
South Carolina.
I need to do some patching.
Take exit 1, then take the South Carolina 11 exit.
Cut these off for right now. Oconee County, South Carolina. Okay, it's about 5 till 10. We're going to be running a little bit late. What's the temperature? Got down to about 28, 29 last night.
1,000 feet, take the South Carolina 11 exit toward Westminster, Walhalla.
44 now. Lake Hartwell. Spring is fast coming down on us. I think we're going to go through Westminster and Anderson, then come down US 29 on the way back into Athens, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Anybody about to run over us right here?
Take the South Carolina 11 exit, then turn left onto South Carolina 11 North.
Now, I don't have this video of South Carolina 11 North. This is okay, we are looking for 316. It's 362. On the left, all the mailboxes are on the right side. These rural areas, they have all the mailboxes on one side. 330. 326. This must be it right here.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, which one are we at here? We got yard dogs out here. Okay, where are we at? Where are we at? We need some Jeep wheels. All kind of dogs out here. Hey, buddy. Well, this may be a wild goose chase. Unless my assistant brought us to the wrong location, which she will do. But the mailboxes say 316. I'll let y'all get a good picture of this. I've sent him 2 messages saying I was here and was I at the right place. Haven't heard back. You know, some of these rural roads, depending on if you go to a different county, your numbering system, I guess that's everywhere. The numbering system will be backwards, so maybe it's at the other end of this road. Okay, we're coming back by there.
Your destination is on the left.
He had a video posted showing the inside of that shop. I'm pretty sure we're at the right place. I assume it was that shop they had showed the inside of. Well, if nothing else, this is entertaining. That dog's down there howling on the porch. Well, there's is there somebody standing up there? No. Well, I think we're just going to head on and respond to phone or text. Well, maybe this will make an interesting video at least. Doesn't look any different, does it? Where's he going to come out from, I wonder? There he is. Okay.
they close about everything else around here to see if they'll work. It really needs to happen. I hope you feel better. Hey, boy, come on. Come on. Thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Come on, boy. Come on.
I'm probably going to need to put this in, download stuff and put it in the computer to edit it, because I'm going to want to cut a bunch of stuff out of it. So we got them, and he cut $50, so we got them for $150. I think they'll clean up good. We may have to repaint them if not. But anyway, let's wrap this one up. I think we'll go to Anderson, South Carolina, and we'll see how far it is and get video Anderson and maybe go down 29 past the Hartwell Dam and just spend the day videoing and clowning around.